Magic 89.9.
Yeah! Yo! Wala mga friends namin kasi ito eh. Welcome Magic 89.9. Yo, yo, yo! Okay, we are back here, Night Live.
Yes.
And first time, this was on a Thursday, right?
Yes. Oh yeah, first time for Night Live on a Thursday. Welcome to the new schedule, everybody.
Yes, and it's happening on June with Hey June! Okay, how are you guys? It's been, when was the last time you were here with Isabel again?
Last month or 2 months ago?
Parang 2 months ago.
2 months, yes. 2 months ago. Tama. 2 months ago. Tama.
And so many things has happened. You released
Yeah.
2 more songs.
Yeah.
So may total na kayong 3 songs for this year. Booked and busy kayo ah. Like, how has it been?
Ang hirap mahagilap ng mga to.
Actually, sobrang hirap.
Diba?
Masaya siya. Kasi,
Ang importante ay nandito na kami ngayon.
ay, your mic. Yeah.
Ang importante, nandito na kami ngayon.
Okay, sige. Also, by the way, happy 5 years.
Thank
We
you.
saw the pub. Oh my
Thank
gosh,
you.
tell us more about yung 5th year celebration ninyo coming this weekend.
Yeah, it's gonna be happening on June 20. That's a Saturday, and we'll be at JB Music Flagship Store along dito lang sa EDSA. And it's gonna start at 5 p.m. and free show siya, guys. Meron kaming link for registration. So guys, register lang kayo tapos makakatanggap kayo ng email confirmation. And sobrang excited kami kasi first time namin mag-show dito sa JB Music, and sobrang
Yes.
grateful kami sa nangyari sa 5 years. Ang bilis ng panahon.
Yes.
Ooh, panahon.
Panahon.
Say that again. Parang meme. Okay, let's talk about this new song of yours, no?
Kung may problema.
Kung may problema ka,
Yes,
this
sir.
is more, parang bumabalik kayo nga sa, yung parang, sige, magagalit lang kami, angsty siya.
Right.
Oo. And
Gusto mo dito, parang ang dilim dyan sa'yo eh.
Ano si Asi? And let's talk about this. What was the process behind this song nung sinulat nyo, nung pinerform nyo? Galit din ba kayo nun?
Ako, parang, the first instinct, of course, of a human is to question na bakit ganun yung nangyayari. Basically, yung scenario niya is meron kang taong nakaharap tapos parang hindi mo alam kung okay ba siya sa'yo, ganun.
may
Like,
problema ba?
pinagsamahan naman siguro kaya paano nagkikita naman, ganun. Tapos yun, parang bakit mabigat yung damdamin? Like, meron kang spidey sense na ewan, di ba? Parang,
Nagtitingle.
oo, nagtitingle na.
eh.
Oo, parang alanganin, ganun. So, parang it kind of squeezes your brain to the point na, yun nga, na nakakairita na siya, ganun. Pero yun, sabihin mo na lang sa akin. Edi sabihin mo na lang. I mean, parang ganun. Yeah.
Which is something na we realized
Yeah, we were talking
earlier.
about it kasi the 3 songs na you guys have released for this year, parang may recurring theme. With a generation that's so avoidant, yung mga
Yeah,
songs
yeah,
nyo,
yeah.
it
Mga
shows
fearful
na
avoidant
parang,
dyan.
oo, hello nga pala,
Yan yung
kamusta
reality.
yung anxious partner nyo, di ba? Pero it's about your feelings being upfront and you wanting to ask your partner, sabihin mo na lang sa akin kung may problema ka.
Yes.
Tama.
Diba? Is this a theme that is gonna be in your album na you guys hinted towards a while ago?
I think kung ayun yung pinaka-theme namin, like napansin niya recently, I do think na since kami
Part siya, ganun.
I think since ayun na sinulat na namin yung buong album, parang I think doon yung magiging approach niya, something yung voice namin as Gen Zs or something, ay ganun. Ayun.
Yes.
Something medyo kung ano lang yung reality ng buhay, parang ganun. Yan.
It's been 3 years since your last album,
Yes.
Yes.
Curiosity Killed the Cat. And grabe no, 3 years na pala.
Uy!
Kakadibo ko nga lang nun eh. I wanted to know, like, how was the journey so far? Ngayon na you're reaching 5 years with all the Janakis. And then, admittedly, LASIK boomed to the stratosphere
Yeah.
last year.
Yeah.
How is it so far? Ano yung naramdaman nyo nun?
Nung nag-hit yung LASIK, actually, di namin siya in-expect.
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy lang kami in general. Tapos, gulat na lang kami na biglang na-pick up siya and nag-viral siya. Parang yung reaction is, hala, gusto pala to ng tao?
Like,
Ganon.
parang gusto ko sa sarili ko.
Oh,
Totoo ba to?
Totoo ba to? Tapos di namin nakikita, parang biglang mga celebrities, mga influencers, tapos mga fans din, mga random people gumagawa ng content, umabot din sa international. Parang, may potential. May potential kami magbanda. Charot.
Yeah.
Ganon. Parang,
Ano rin eh, parang before yung the LASIK thing, parang marami ng artist friend na nagsasabi rin
Na maganda
gusto ko
siya."
yung LASIK,
Oo.
gano'n. Na trip ko yung LASIK. Ganun. Ayun.
siguro parang, a lot of people just needed to hear it.
Siguro.
Oo, ganun.
Ganun nga.
Paulit-ulit.
Oo, nang
Yeah,
paulit-ulit.
it just wasn't reaching the right audience just yet.
Just yet.
Yeah.
Parang,
Dumami na yung nagkaroon ng cataract or...
Baka.
katarak.
Baka maraming nagpapalasik kaya, oo.
Tapos sabi nila, oo nga.
May ganito palang kanta.
Oo. Tsaka, for sure, maraming nakaka-relate kasi kaka-computer natin yan. Malabo mata natin and very relatable siya. So,
Nakatatas na
Kailangan mag-pandemic at mag-online bago,
online.
bago mahanap yung song.
Tapos yun, sobrang grateful kami sa naging trajectory ng career namin after that. I mean, ever since naman, masipag kami sa on-ground, sa mga school gigs, sa mga guestings, and, being out there, natulungan kami ng song to be able to go out there pa. Na,
I think yun yung maganda kapag
Oo.
kumari and 5 years na kami. Hindi
Oo.
namin expect. Pero maganda naman is dire-diretso lang.
Yeah.
Ayun.
parang consistent naman
Oo.
yung ano.
And it gets better.
Yeah.
So yun.
Over the years, parang pag ganun ng pag ganun yung growth. So, sobrang blessed kami doon. Marami kaming napuntahan, mga provinces. Nakapunta na rin kami ng Malaysia
Yeah.
through our music. Yeah. Maraming, ayun. And then, maraming school gigs.
Yes.
Sobrang naming nakilala. And yung community din namin, mga Jonakis, started ng ganon, biglang ganon, biglang ganon. Nakita namin siya last year nung 4th anniversary namin. Nagpa-free show din kami sa mall. Sugulat kami. Sobrang daming tao nun. Parang, saan kayo nang galing? Tapos yun, nagustuhan pala nila yung songs. Sa basement party.
Yung iba nag-commute.
Anak, kumbaga. So, ang dami
Yeah.
na sustentuhan.
Marami na kaming anak. Tapos yun.
Dami ng pinapakain.
Dami nang pinapakain.
You mentioned school gigs, and I
Yes.
wanted to ask, syempre lahat naman tayo naging students at some point.
Yes.
Yep.
Did you ever go back to your alma mater as a band? And I wanted to know, like, how did it feel going back there? And then, syempre lahat sila para, oh my gosh, si June!
I think we were able to go to each of our
Yeah.
own alma maters.
Yes.
Si Jim from
Sa PCC ako, sa Pasig Catholic College.
tsaka sa Binild.
Yeah, sa Binild. Binild kasi andun na ako sa Hejun.
Oo.
Pero ayun. so yun
Di na-count.
So di na-count wala na yan. No, sa PCC yun, daming malapit na teacher, picture. Yan, fan ka ng...
Binagsak mo ko nun, ha?
Fan ka ng anak. Ha?
Nagpapapicture ka sa akin.
Oo, binaksak mo ako. Joke lang.
Ako naman, nakabalik din ako sa alma mater ko, St. Scholasticus, Marikina.
Wow.
Alma mater namin ni Isabel.
Yes.
Kapitbahay ko.
There was one.
Oo nga. Actually, nagkakilala kami ni JJ
Okay.
din sa alma mater ko. So,
Oo.
long time friend
Ah,
ako si
doon?
JJ. Oo.
Mahabang kwentuhan yan pang mamaya.
Mamaya na. Amin na lang yan.
Since ano pa yun, junior high school. So, mga 10 years na kami magkakilala
2013,
neto.
Pang mamaya
Tapos
nga.
yung school mo.
Wala ako dyan. Alis na ako.
Kainis. Tapos,
Halika dito tayo
kasi
mag-interview,
bumalik nga
guys.
si Chloe sa school niya. Tapos,
Ako balik ako sa school ko. Tapos, sobrang nagulat ako sa na
Namula lalo
nakilala
yung
ko
buhok
ng-
eh.
Namula yung buhok eh. Oo.
Namula yung
Yung mga teachers ko, sobrang proud din. Tapos yung mga students, nagulat ako na sobrang into music na rin sila kasi iba din siya sa panahon namin.
Saints ko, no?
Oo, sa Saints ko.
You were, I expected you guys to be there nung fair
hindi
recently.
pa, yeah.
Diba? Pero I did see you there, nandun ka. And then,
Nanood ako.
nakita ko rin na, kasi guitar club
Yeah.
also, tas may Battle of the Bands, right?
Lahat ng bata doon naging zombie dahil kay Chloe.
Oo. Para sa...
Totoo.
tatakbuhan lahat.
Tapos si Jim, dinumog din eh. Si Jim, siya yung pinakamatangkad din. So parang ganun yung, parang mga minions yung mga bata.
Yes, parang ganun.
Saya. Si Asi naman, yung alma mater niya sa Romblon. Di pa kami nakapunta.
Di pa kami nakakapunta.
Shoutout
Pero
mo
nakapag-vacation
naman.
kami. Shout out mga taga Romblon, mga Romblomanans. Babalik kami dyan. Dahil nag-vacation lang
So,
kami last
special
time
gig,
eh.
2-hour session. Tapos,
Oo nga.
interview with your teachers. Ganun.
Pwede. Mga sisters sa school.
Inano ko nga, ano yun, binigyan ka nga ng award ng...
Parang 3 years ago.
Outstanding alumni.
Mayor ba yun? Or ano?
Basta sa hindi. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag sa award
National
na yun eh.
hero ng Ojonga.
Hero ako ng Ojohan. Hindi, joke lang. award lang. Parang...
May building na para sa'yo.
May statue.
Si Juan nandun. May bus ka na ganyan. Okay, so it's so nice na to see, yun nga, 5 years, it's all paying off. And right now, for this year alone, ang dami na rin. You released 3 songs. You've written your second album and it's coming later this year.
Yes.
And you're also part of an elite, I'd say elite.
Elite
Yeah,
group.
elite
Oh, wow.
class
Chosen
of
individuals.
2026.
Sa
Spotify,
Spotify
Radar.
Radar, yes,
How does it
sir.
feel to be one of the 4 front runners of OPM?
Ano, nakakatuwa kasi lagi din naman kami nag-Spotify. So,
Oo.
ayun.
Fans kami ng music and to be part of that class, parang, oh, wow, thank you
Yes,
so
yes.
much for... Nakaka-humble siya.
Yes, exactly.
And
Ganun.
ano siya, opportunity din sa amin na mapakita kung sino kami. But kami din part nung class na yun. So,
Pati
yun.
masaya. Masaya siya kasi
Masaya.
parang lahat
Community.
na nandoon, kakilala namin.
Oo,
so parang
friends namin.
nung shoot namin, nagkakita-kita kami, nagpabati-bati. So parang, wala, nakakatuwa kasi andun kami lahat nagtitipon.
Tapos actually nung shoot hindi namin alam kung sino yung mga iba. So parang,
Oo, andito ka.
Gulatan na lang ba yun? Like, literally, pagdating nyo doon, parang
Uy,
Spider-Man moment, ano?
Oo,
Dito rin pala.
nakagaling kami.
ikaw pala nandito. So yun, sobrang saya. Hi sa mga classmates namin sa Spotify Radar.
We also, what was it that we noticed, Isabel? Na almost, if not 80% ng nasa class na yon,
Yeah.
dumaan din dito.
Dumaan na dito sa
really?
Valley. So, ito yung first step bago makarating dun sa...
Ay, okay.
Ano sinasabi?
I see.
Nakailang step na kasi kayo dito. Actually, like you've been here 3 times?
I don't know.
Tama ba?
Counting.
Started pa
Right.
nung first album
Taray! Oh, tapos, kanina sabi namin, we were introducing you guys, releasing hit after hit after hit.
Oy, thank you.
First song nyo,
Thanks.
Just
a
a
hit. So, it was a full circle moment then.
Yes.
We're pressed with time.
Oh.
Break. But now is the time for you guys to, I guess, promote.
Yeah, promote your album, upcoming gigs, as well as your 50th year anniversary on Saturday.
A special message to the Junakis din.
All right. Thank you again so much, Magic 89.9 and Night Live. Sana maulit tong panahon na to. Again, we're Hey June. Pwede nyo kami subaybayan sa journey namin. Just search us on social media at Hey June Music and stream our music on all streaming platforms. Just search Hey June with an exclamation point. Again, meron kaming malalabas na bagong album this year. Sa gigs namin, we're turning 5. So magse-celebrate tayo sa June 20 sa JB EDSA. We'll also be posting some of our schedules sa mga mangyayari and
Yes.
abangan nyo guys yun sa social media namin. And speaking of the 5th anniversary, every year kasi, aside from celebrating yung birthday namin, naglalabas kami ng memorabilia card na iba't ibang designs. So parang siyang collector's item and magbubunga siya sa future. So guys, be early to get your memorabilia card sa Saturday. And meron kami mga merch that will be available only at the venue din sa Saturday. So see you guys. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga ganaps namin.
Yep.
Yup. Okay na tayo. Okay. Thank you
Sabi na
so
lahat ni
much.
Kobe.
Gusto kasi namin ng memorabilia din eh. But thank you so much to Hey June. They will be back. Kasi kukulitin namin sila. Every release, please come
Yes, sir.
here. So more of those in the future. Thank you so much to Hey June. Once again, I'm JJ. And
I'm Isabel.
yes, she has the mic. And we are today's best music. We are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.